Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show the battery percentage on your status bar of your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Motorola One. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, click the battery. And okay guys, here in battery, okay, you can see below the battery percentage. Okay, on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this enable or turn on the switch button, okay, show battery percentage in status bar. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button to show the battery percentage in your status bar. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully showed the battery percentage in status bar in your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.